freelancing just got a whole lot more interesting and easier. Whether you are a newbie or a veteran with a whole lot of experience in the freelancing space, it's getting more interesting to be a freelancer. And again, ChatGPT is here to stay, whether you like it or not. It's already improving and there are new versions coming out. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you could actually, maximize this amazing AI tool called ChatGPT to level up your freelancing game. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze, and I'm all about showing you how to make money online and giving you idea, information, and knowledge about everything surrounding making money online and how you could actually make good living off the internet. Okay, and if you are a new viewer, you are super welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, you're also very much welcome. And I would indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you just how you could make money online and also doing freelancing. Whether you are already doing a particular job online freelancing, or you have interest joining the freelancing world. And most importantly, I'm going to show you how you could use this amazing ChatGPT AI tool to up your freelancing game. Okay, and without taking much of your time, let's get right into it. But most importantly, if you stay with me in this video to the very end, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to get foreign clients to pay me $200 and above to get them to help them do, to render them services that didn't take me more than 24 hours. It's not as if I was working on it the whole of 24 hours, but at least I submitted the jobs in less than 24 hours. And I was making good amount of money. And the funny thing is, this is a brand new niche which I've never tested before. Okay, so stick with me in this video to be able to enjoy and to get the secrets on how I made as much as $700 in 2 weeks, and some other times $700 in about 3 weeks or a month. Okay, so without taking much of your time, let's get right into the freelancing jobs that ChatGPT can actually help you to optimize and make more sales. And the first one is virtual assistant. Okay, as a virtual assistant, you do a whole lot of work for several individuals or several businesses, ranging from office tasks, admin tasks, project management, customer support, and the rest of it. And with the help of ChatGPT, you could actually create templates, conduct research, and schedule appointments, and even do much more work for your employer. Okay, and with ChatGPT, you could actually work for several persons as a virtual assistant, make more money and work and deliver in less time. Okay, so the next one is writing. Of course, ChatGPT is so much amazing for every writer out there. If you're a freelancer and your niche is all about writing, creating content, and developing content, with ChatGPT, you will create even much more content, serve more clients, and make more money. The ChatGPT help you to generate ideas, generate templates, create outlines, create your paragraphs, your writings, and all that easily in less than a minute. That's quite amazing, right? So as a writer or as a freelancer who specializes in writing niche, there is no type of writing which ChatGPT cannot help you to do. All you just need to do is to just head on to the platform, type in whatever thing you need. Okay, write me a letter or write me a cover letter for this job position. Write me a decision letter for this. Write me a blog post for that, and it will get done immediately in less than a minute. Okay, and with ChatGPT, you write more, earn more, and serve more clients in less time. So the next one is translation. If you are someone that is fluent with several languages, businesses, individuals, as a freelancer, they give you content, posts, or even voice recordings for you to translate. Though for voice recordings, it may not really work with ChatGPT, but for written documents, be it blog posts, website posts, meeting minutes, you could simply input it on ChatGPT and get it translated to the language of your choice. However, you may not be able to do this particular freelancing job if you don't understand the language you are translating into. So you need to have a prior knowledge of or a good understanding of the language you are translating, so that once ChatGPT gives you its results, all you just have to do is to go through and be sure that everything is fine. Okay, and if you are looking for how to get started in translation freelancing jobs, I did a video. It's up there. All you just have to do is to click on that video and watch and learn more on how you can get started as a translation freelancer. Okay, the last but not least is video editing. But before we get right to it, I made a promise at the beginning of this video to show you how, or to teach you how I was able to get into a brand new niche which I've never had experience in. I was able to make as much as $700 in the very first month, and was making subsequent $700 every other 3 weeks or 2 weeks or 4 weeks, and getting customers to pay me as much as $200 to $250 per job. Okay, so how did I do that? So this is what I did. I decided to hop onto a new niche on Fiverr. Of course, that's one of the biggest freelancing sites in the world. So I registered on Fiverr with a new account, actually. Decided to try this new niche and see what I could make out of it. And what did I do? After creating an account on Fiverr, I created an account on Quora. Why Quora? I'll give you the reason. So what did I do? After creating an account on Quora, I joined several spaces on Quora. I was answering questions and all that, set up my Quora profile. But I did some things which you need to take note of. On my Quora profile, where I put a short description about myself. At the end of that description, I put a link to my Fiverr gig. Okay, I didn't just put the link there, fiverr.com/ no. I masked the link. I went to bit.ly and other masking link shorteners. That's what I used so that it doesn't appear spammy. Okay, then after that, I started answering questions on Quora, tried to gain traction, trying to gain popularity, trying to gain audience. And what happened? Now my gig is already there on Fiverr. I was answering questions on Quora. So now people, remember, I joined spaces, because joining spaces will get you easily exposed to so many persons in a short while. So these people, they come in and read my answers on the Quora space, and they see me as an authority. Then they decide to look up my profile, and in looking up my profile, they see my Fiverr link, the service I offer, and that's the way I was generating free traffic from Quora. And this traffic heads onto my Fiverr gig, sees that I'm a professional, and make purchases. Funny enough, I was a total newbie on this particular niche, so I was using ChatGPT to give my answers on Quora. Whenever I see a question related to the niche I was serving on Fiverr, all I did was put that question on ChatGPT. It gives me an answer. I head on to Qbot, paraphrase it, and then submit on Quora. That way, it makes me sound. I was able to give informative and helpful answers to their question, and that was how I was driving traffic to my new Fiverr account, and I was making sales. Yet on a new niche which I have no experience on. So all thanks to ChatGPT, I was using it to answer questions on Quora, and I was also using it to render my services on Fiverr, and I was making as good money as possible. Okay, so the last but not the least ways you could freelance and earn as much as $300 with the help of ChatGPT is video editing. So as a video editor, how would ChatGPT actually help you? Very important. ChatGPT will help you, give you different dynamic ideas or angles to which you could, edit a particular video. That's the list. The major one is it helps you generate content and scripts for your video. You could simply type, help me generate a YouTube video script on how you could freelance and make $300 with the help of ChatGPT, and in less than 30 seconds you get everything displayed. So as a video editor, you could actually as a video editor freelancer, you could actually use ChatGPT to get different angles and styles to edit your videos, to get video scripts, and to get other content which you can input in your video, and that way you make more money, because if you're able to generate all these, you charge your clients more and you make more money. Okay, so these are the 4 ways you could actually make money as a freelancer with the help of ChatGPT. So it's now left for you to, whether you are a newbie or a veteran in the freelancing world, all you just have to do is to employ the help of ChatGPT, and you start making as much money as possible and save as much time as possible and work for as much persons as possible. So having been with me in this video up to this very moment, I wish to say a very thank you. And if you've not liked this video, go ahead to like, and if you've not subscribed, go ahead to subscribe, and also smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you would be among the first to be notified. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.